To set custom notification sounds on Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus, first of all, if we try to set custom notification sounds right here in the settings, there's no option for it. So to actually set custom sounds, we'll need to first open the files on our device. So look for the My Files like this, and then you can go into your internal storage. From here, you will need to find a music file that you want to use as a custom sound for notifications. In this case, I have the file right here. So if you found your file, click and hold it like that, and then click on the copy option. You can then navigate to your internal storage again, and then scroll down until you find notifications. Enter it and then copy your file right there. Now, if you have music file in that notifications folder, you can go back to the settings, and then right here in notification sound, you should be able to find your custom sound right here, as you can see. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.